We just picked up the Indy car from Rick Crow's shop. I had it done in a 90s livery. Senna, like the most iconic F1 car in my opinion. It's not obviously a full-size Indy, it's half scale, but it's pretty damn cool. Last time we went out, if you go on the channel quite a while ago, we did a little track day with this car and I broke the chain. So Garrett's throwing the chain on right now. We've got another master link and I haven't done this car in over a year. So we're gonna go rip it before we do the sport bike swap, just to kind of give it some reference. So this should be fun. I wonder how hard it's gonna be to find brakes for this thing.
Oh, there is a pad back there.
Okay. It's just gone.
Yeah.
I mean, how much drag you think that's got?
A lot. I would just pull the caliper off and like zip tie it up.
And as soon as you hit the brakes, punch that
Pushes
piston out.
both the pistons out. And,
Yeah, just good. We're gonna put the chain on though.
That was the cause of all the problems in the first place.
Sure.
Alright, so that is not how they're supposed to fit. I'm sure you're probably missing like O-rings or like...
Should hold for a ride.
Should hold.
well, we're not gonna use that chain when we put the bike motor in anyway. So.
Who goes first? What?
Once we get it, we're gonna have to put like a shifter right here and then put an e-brake. And then you just, like you said, put the clutch on the shifter.
That's gonna be the only place.
No, because you're gonna be spinning it hard. I don't want it to spin up in like a
I
cable.
wouldn't be spinning it hard. I couldn't fit.
It's such a tight fit.
Everybody's got goals.
No wonder Moose wasn't even pushing the brake pedal hard enough. Yeah, a
Well,
little
everybody got to do something.
a dash right there with like the RPM mile an hour full digitalized. This thing is gonna fly. We're gonna put suspension.
You need to brace that seat up and get a little bit more meat in that seat.
Oh, I'm putting a real seat in it, like a Sparco Trino with like a head
The way
wrap.
that thing's flexing right there, you break it neck when you say sickle.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Is the kill switch on?
I hit it the right way, I think.
Oh, I think that was the chain.
I was short-lived.
Hey, it's also when you know it's gonna do that and
Dad!
you call it. We knew it was gonna do that. That's
That aluminum Kirky seat must have saved it. Oh,
that
look, some
tension
chain.
was just like-
Oh, shit.
Holy shit.
Are all these from it?
Yeah. It's probably from the nose, picking up all the pebbles.
It up the body.
Oh, really?
The chain shot through it. It literally somehow, something bad happened.
What happened?
It like bent the shaft. It like, I don't know what the fuck happened.
Oh,
That sucks.
it's
Well,
Dude, look at the chain.
Oh, damn.
But look at the prop shaft.
Here's the rest of
To
it.
make a necklace.
I mean,
Man,
it was hanging
you
out.
want it for your wallet?
but look at the fucking drive shaft. It's like crooked. It never did that ever before. Like, I hit it and it felt like it was about to go. God. So now I got to take that piece back off, have Brian fiberglass it, paint it, and then have a new fucking decal put on it.
Hey, you just keep setting
We should've
that
just
Mustang
looked at
back
it.
further and further the more you f it up, you know?
This should have just stayed in the shop.
I can't believe it.
It's like an art piece.
Yeah.
But dude, look at that.
I don't know what it takes to do that.
That's some serious shit.
That's art.
Well, now we don't even know where the master link is for the dirt bike.
It might still be there.
Can we call this for this thing?
That sucks. Here's a piece of it.
That is the fucking. Okay, so we're missing the clip.
Son of a bitch.
It's there.
Hey, hop in it.
I don't care about it broke the motor. I care about it broke the fiberglass.
Fiberglass can be fixed.
Oh, I
you
know,
can patch
it's
it.
It was so pretty.
Yeah, and it will be again. Golly!
No, it exploded it. Dude, it sounded like a bomb went off.
This back here.
I hit it. I'm like, oh, what is it? Chain guard? Oh, that up too.
Okay, so now we know we need
Hey, come on, I need you to steer.
a metal shield in there.
Got one.
And on the inside of fiberglass.
Come on, I broke it already. Nice shorts. Don't shoot me.
No, that's your shit. What the heck?
Hey, don't, I broke it. I told you I broke it.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's the Integra Honda pulling a Honda. God, that smells sick. Didn't even have it back a day. I exploded the chain through it.
Come here, look at the S.
Look at the edge. The chain went through the body while I was driving it.
Every time you got it back, you always break it. No, it always happens.
Oh.
Can you play catch with me?
Yeah, I'll play catch.
You drive it, it breaks. You always do that.
Hey, watch it.
Yeah. I thought you were that. You just got fixed.
It literally exploded, bent the prop shaft, shot the chain out of the body while I was driving it.
How'd you do that?
How if I know? It was loud. Just got it back. Look how bad it bent the prop shaft. Look at this. Like it is bent.
You messed up the decal.
I messed up the body. Look, it exploded the fiberglass.
I know. You're lucky you weren't hurt.
Hurt?
What
I don't give a shit about being hurt.
I do. I kind of like you.
But look, it's all bent.
You were worried about Taylor standing on that and look like
Yeah, I fucking exploded. Well, we got it running after a year, and I broke it like 20 seconds into it. I don't know what the hell happened. I took off, hammered it. It felt like it was about to go, started to make wheel speed, and then it literally sounded like I tossed a rod out of the block, and really bad noises happened. But the engine was still running, so I wasn't sure what happened. When the chain came off, literally bit the prop shaft that's coming from the clutch and shot it out of the side of the brand new painted, brand new decaled body. So we gotta get that fixed, but this will give us the time to get the body off of it, clean it up, put new seats, put updated harnesses, new steering wheel. It needs brakes. One of the brakes pads is gone on it. Give it some attention, get some tires, clean it up, and get it off for sport bike stuff. But hope you guys like this project. You're gonna see a lot of it. We're gonna do a lot of cool stuff with this. Maybe even put a turbo on it. Pretty cool. You wanna drive it? You drove it today. You helped when I blew it up.
You both it.
I always blow things up.
Yeah.
All right, well, you guys keep following along. We're gonna keep doing stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Thanks for following along.